The many meanings of pissed. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that might seem simple but can be used in various contexts. Pissed. This word is quite common in colloquial speech, especially in British and American English. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. Pissed comes from the word piss, which is a somewhat informal or slang term for urine or the act of urinating. This might make you wonder, how did it become an adjective describing emotions? Hold on, and you'll find out. In British English, pissed is most commonly used as a slang term to mean intoxicated or drunk. For example, he drank so much last night, he was completely pissed. It's important to note that this usage can sound rude or too casual, so it's best used in informal settings. In American English, while pissed can still mean drunk in some contexts, it's more often used to mean angry or annoyed. For example, she didn't answer my call, and I'm really pissed. Again, it's a slang term and might be seen as impolite in certain situations, so discretion is advised. Both in British and American English, the phrase pissed off is widely understood to mean angry or annoyed. For example, he was pissed off when he missed the bus. As with the previous examples, remember that this is an informal term and might not be suitable for formal occasions or discussions. The word pissed is a great example of how slang evolves and varies across different cultures. Whether you're in London or Los Angeles, now you'll know what someone means when they use the term. Remember, slang is a fun way to sound more natural in a language, but always be aware of the context in which you're speaking. I hope you found this explainer useful, and until next time, happy learning!